Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th grade at Lokshi Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I am saying complete seminar regarding electric current. Before I am starting the seminar, I want to share very important few lines in my today's seminar. So please imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. Today my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark important questions. Maybe these questions will come in public exams also. So my humble advice is please watch my video from starting point to ending point. Let us start the seminar. Yes, electric current. Do you know friends what is electric current? Electric current is nothing but the amount of charge cross any cross section in 1 second in amperes is known as electric current. Do you know friends which objects are allow the electric current? Yes, conductors and semiconductors. The conductors is nothing but which object is allow the current is known as conductors. Example for iron, etc. And semiconductors. Semiconductors is nothing but which objects are allow the current partially is known as semiconductors. Example gallium, scandium, etc. And next is which objects are opposed the electric current are insulators. Insulators is nothing but which objects are opposed the electric current. They do not allow the electric current into that object. Example for wood, plastic, etc. Their electrons are absent. And in conductors and semiconductors contain the electrons. And next is, do you know how the electrons move in the closed circuit and open circuit? I will show the image of how the electrons in moving in open circuit. This is the image of a wire. In that electrons are moving randomly in various directions. This is electrons are moving in open circuit. This is closed circuit. Here the electrons are moving at certain direction. Positive terminal to negative terminal. So here we conclude that when the energy will be present at the ends of the conductor, the way the electrons are moving at a certain direction. And next topic is potential difference. Do you know friends what is potential difference? The potential difference is nothing but the positive terminal and the negative terminal energy producing system are present ends of the conductor and the electric field are moving positive terminal to negative terminal. Nothing but electric charge are moving one place to another place is known as potential difference. I will show the image of how the electron or electric circuit will be moving in the potential difference. This is the image of potential difference in a wire. Here positive terminal and negative terminal. Here the electric field is moving. Direction of the electric field. This is the potential difference. This process, the large circuits will be occur. And electromotive force, nothing but EMF. Here EMF is nothing but the battery working system. The EMF is running with chemical force. In the batteries occur with the help of coal, nothing but chemical force. So here the how I will introduce how the battery will work, how the battery present in inside. Okay, I will show the image. This is the picture of battery working system. Here first we observe cations and anions, nothing but positive electrons and negative electrons are moving various directions randomly. And here the electric field are produced. The force is attracting an end-on-end manner for the electron. Here the charged protons and electrons are attracted to the ends of the conductor. Here also same manner, and the electrons are attracted together very closely. When the electrons are connected very closely partially, the electrons are attracted end on an end manner. So here when the positive electron to negative electron, the attraction will occur, the energy will produce. By this process, the battery is running, and here the chemical force will be occur. Nothing but here coal is present. With the help of coal, the power is generating. And next topic is, in this lesson, very important lab activity is there. This question asking for public exam for 4 marks or 8 marks. The same question asked in public exam previously 4 times. That is known as Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? It is a proportional of energy present on end of the conductors. It is known as Ohm's law. I will show a circuit required to the Ohm's law. Here observe. Here a closed circuit is there, which is present manganese wire, voltmeter, battery, ammeter and key. Here we will observe the positive terminal to negative terminal. The battery charge are moving to the manganese wire direction. Think about voltmeter direction. Here I is defined as electric current. Here the electric circuit is present end on end manner. By this process, the required apparatus is manganese wire, voltmeter and copper wire, battery, key and ammeter. Here the observation is the electric charge is moving end of the conductor, nothing but end of the manganese wire. This is known as Ohm's law. Do you know, friends, what is the limitations of Ohm's law? The Ohm's law is applicable to only for metals. This is not applicable to semiconductors, insulators, and this is depends on the temperature, nature of the material and length of the conductor. By this material, the Ohm's law process will occur. Do you know, friends, there is a graph is there for Ohm's law, how the conductors and semiconductors will work about the Ohm's law. I will show the image of graph about the conductors in Ohm's law and semiconductors in Ohm's law. This is the graph in conductors, Ohm's law. A straight manner is there, that is electric current. Ohm's law graph in semiconductors. Here curved path is there. This is allows the current, but this is also semiconductors, but here partially will occur the electric current. And next topic is Do you know, friends, when the electric shock will occur in our body, what is the cause will occur? Example for 1 ampere will enter into the in our body the shock. Uh, what will happen? I will explain by the observing the table. Here observe, when the human body attracted to 0.001 ampere current, the human will be felt. When the human body attracted to 0.005, it is painful for the muscle contraction. When the human body is attracted to 0.010, it causes involuntary muscle contraction. We won't move. And next topic is 0.015. When the human body is attracted to the 0.015 ampere current, it causes loss of muscle control. We can't control the muscle. Next, 0.70 ampere current is attracted to the body. It causes heart attack. By the 0.070 ampere current, we will die. Because the electric current contain electrons. In our body contain also electrons. By the observing the electron to electron, their attraction process will be occur. By the attraction, the charged ions are transfer electric charge to human body. So, by the attracting of electron, we are getting the electric current. So, we will move to next topic. Yes. Factors affecting to the resistivity or resistor. Do you know, friends, what are the factors or effect to the resistor? Yes. Nature of the material, length of the conductor, and temperature. By the this material, the resistor process will be occur. And resistor is nothing but the process of entering the current or stopping the entering current. When we are using the electric current, the partially allows the resistor into the circuit. The resistor symbol is R. Do you know, friends? Resistor are present in various material. Example, resistivity present in iron, resistivity present in air also, in glass also. I will show the value of resistivity in various material. This is silver. In the silver, the resistivity at 20 degrees temperature is 1.59 into 10 power 8 minus 8 temperature. Copper 1.68 into 10 power minus 8. Next to gold. This attracted to the more to the current because their electrons is there. 2.44 into 10 power minus 8. Aluminium 2.82 into 10 power minus 8. Calcium 3.36 into 10 power minus 8. Tungsten 5.60 into 10 power minus 8. Zinc 5.90 into 10 power minus 8. Nickel 6.99 into 10 power minus 8. And most important thing is iron. Here iron is the most attracting material to the electrons. 1.00 into 10 power minus 7. And lead 2.20 into 10 power minus 7. Nichrome 1.10 into 10 power minus 6. Germanium, this link with Germanic country, 4.60 into 10 power minus 1. Do you know, friends, in the drinking water also the resistivity process will be occur by the entering of electrons. The value is 2.00 into 10 power minus 1. Silicon, this glass material, 6.40 into 10 power minus 2. And glass 10.0 into 10 power 10. In the air medium 1.30 into 10 power 16. Highest value in air only, because in the air will be transferred the various electrons by charged electrons. So here we conclude that in the all materials the resistivity will be present, nothing but electrons moving. And we will move to next topic, electric circuit. In our house and in bikes, in cars, we will observe series connection and parallel connection. In our household circuit present parallel connection. The parallel connection is nothing but the process of electric circuit, and the electric current will be passing into the different pathways with the equal current is known as parallel connection. I will show the image of parallel connection. This series connection like circuit, this is parallel connection circuit. Here series circuit will be present. The charged electrons are moving at a certain direction, in equal direction. There is not moving in various direction. No? Here I is entering. I is nothing but electric current. Here first resistor is present, which are partially opposed to the electrons. This is the series connection. The same direction will be present, and this parallel connection, the various direction. By here, parallel connection is applicable to Loop's law. This is one loop. This is one loop. By the combination of two loops, one parallel connection will be produced. These connections are present in our household circuits. When the series connection will be present in our home, the electric appliances will be damaged because the more current will be passed into the electric current. So here we conclude that the series connection is damaged in our household circuit. We will move to next topic. In this lesson, very important laws is there. Kirchhoff's law. The Kirchhoff's law is nothing but two simple rules. Nothing but Loop's law and junction law is known as Kirchhoff's law. Based on this law, in the previous exam asked some problematic questions. This question is very important for 4 marks. The loop law. I will show the image of loop law and junction law. This is loop law. This is equals to the parallel connection. When the electric current is enter into the positive electron to negative terminal, here electron is moving this direction. This. Here electrons is moving in same direction, but here the resistor will be present. Here I will explain about loop. Here loop is nothing but first loop. I will observe first loop. A to B, B to D, D to C, C to A. This is first loop. C to D, D to F, F to E, E to C. This is first loop. Second loop. By the combination of two loops, the Loop's law will be occur. Nothing but parallel connection. And this junction law. Do you observe? The in the middle of the circuit, the junction will be present. The various electrons and our electric circuit will be move at a certain direction or certain place. The junction will be present. That is known as junction law. Here one equation is there related to junction law. I1 plus I4 plus I6. This entering current. I1 plus I4 plus I6. These are entering. I5 plus I2 plus I3. These are leaving current. By the combination of entering current and leaving current, this is known as junction law. The equation is I1 plus I4 plus I6 is equals to I5 plus I2 plus I3. This is known as entering and leaving. Do you know How much current we are using to the household circuit? Example for fridge, AC, fan, TV, washing machine. This like electric appliances. How much current we are using? How the current is moving? I will show the image. Here, heat is observed by 3 amperes. Fan observe the current 4 amperes. Bulb 2 amperes. Fridge 8 amperes. TV 6 amperes. And fuse 20 amperes. Here fuse because it is will be present because the it is balance the more electric circuit. When the large amount of electric charge will be moved into the electric wires, the fuse will be present. It will balance the electric current, and the fuse is related to the resistors. It contains low melting point. When the high temperature will be present, the fuse will be melt. By the fuse, our household circuits will be safe. Are you understand my topic? Before I am leaving the seminar, I want to repeat the important questions in the electric current. First, what is electric current? Which objects are allow the electric current? Which objects are oppose the electric current? What is potential difference? What is EMF? How the battery will work? These are 4 marks, very important. How the battery will work? What is electromotive force? Explain the lab activity to show that Ohm's law. Draw a graph in the conductors how the Ohm's law will be occur. Draw a graph in semiconductors how the Ohm's law process will occur. Explain a table how much current will be enter into our body, what causes will be occur in our body. And next is, what are the factors affecting to the resistors? Next, what is resistor? Name some important materials, resistivity present in various materials. And next is, explain the junction law, explain the loop law with certain equation. How much electric current we are using in the household circuit with a certain diagram. In this lesson, very important 4 marks and 8 marks question is how the battery will occur, what is EMF, what is potential difference, and what is Ohm's law with lab activity. I hope you are all understood my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.